Hello dear students, this is Hridesh Bajpayee and I'm going to teach you GK. So this is your first GK class and I'm going to start the first exercise of the book in which we came to know about some wonders of India, some very amazing things of India. So let's start. What we have to do in this exercise, first we have to read the questions given here and in the answer blank parts are given. So we have to identify about what they are talking and we have to fill the blanks here. So the first question is, or the first hint is, this is the largest freshwater lake in India and is situated in Jammu Kashmir. So can you guess it? Which lake it is? It starts from W. It's Vular Lake. Okay, do you know about Vular Lake? This is one of the largest freshwater lake in not only in India but in Asia. Okay, and it is situated in Bandipur district in Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, and do you know it is fed by which river? It is fed by river Jhelum. Okay, and the size of this lake is varies from 12 to 100 square miles. Okay, so now let's come to next question, and this question is, this is the longest beach in India. It is situated in Chennai, the capital of Tamil Nadu. Starts from M. Can you guess it? Which beach name it is? It's Marina Beach. Okay, it is situated in Chennai. It is India's longest and world's second longest beach. Okay, do you know its total length? Its total length is 13 kilometer. Okay, now the third one is, this is the largest delta in the world and home to the Royal Bengal tigers. So first of all, do you know the meaning of delta? What is the meaning of delta? See, delta is a flat land shaped like a triangle. When rivers are divided into small rivers and goes into the sea, so they form a triangle shape. So that is called a delta. So do you know the name of the largest delta in the world? It starts from S, and it's also the home to the Royal Bengal tigers. You know, Royal Bengal tigers are a very special species, specific population of tiger. Do you know about the delta name? It's Sundarban Delta. It is called the Sundarban Delta. Okay, and the Sundarban National Park is the world's largest mangrove forest. Okay, now next come to the fourth one. This is the largest river island in the world and is situated in the state of Assam. It's Majuli Island. Majuli Island is a river island and it is in Brahmaputra river in Assam. Okay, so I gave you answer of first 4 questions. Okay, next fourth you have to find. Okay, and if you will not be able to, so I will tell you the answers. Okay, so you will complete the remaining part of this exercise. Okay, now next come to the second page or second exercise of the book. It's also about some world famous Indians. So here we will we will know about some very famous personalities of India. Okay, so first we have, see at the last hints are also given, so you all can find the names from here also. The first question is, he is the inventor of the fiber optics cable, which has revolutionized the way information is transmitted across networks. So I will tell you the name, but first, do you all know about fiber optics cable? See, you all have seen a kind of cables at our home. We all have seen that green, blue, or red color wires, in which we use for making connections of light, in which the light transmitted, in which the current transmitted. See, in our computer lab also we have seen many kinds of wires. So the fiber optic cable is also a kind of a cable, or I should not say wire, it's a kind of a cable in which data is transmitted by the passage of light through a thin transparent fiber cable. Okay, and the data transmission speed in fiber optic cable is very, very fast, and it is very popular. Okay, so we need to know the name of the inventor of fiber optics cable. So it's, see, you all can see the picture here, so can you all guess it? It's Narinder Singh Kapni. The name is Narinder Singh Kapni. Mr. Narinder Singh Kapni, he is an Indian born American physicist. He is also called the father of fiber optics. Okay, now next question is, he is the inventor of the Intel Pentium chip, which is being used to power largest number of computers in the world. So it's a question of related to computer science. Yes, so do you all have heard the name of Intel chip, Intel processors? Okay, if yes, then okay, if no, then see, Intel Pentium chip is a processor which is used inside the CPU. You know, in a CPU, you all knows about CPU, the main component of a computer system is also called the brain of computer. So inside the CPU, the main chip which is used for all the processing, which is actually the CPU. So it's a kind of a chip, and these chips are developed by a very popular company, Intel. So who is the inventor of the Intel Pentium chip? His name is Mr. Vinod Dham. He is also known as the father of Pentium chip. Okay, next is, she has served as the chairperson of PepsiCo Limited, one of the largest soft drink manufacturers in the world. So can you all guess the name of the lady? She is Nooyi. Her full name is Indra Nooyi. She has joined the PepsiCo in 1994, and she worked as the CEO of PepsiCo for 12 years. Okay, so her full name is Indra Nooyi, and she has joined PepsiCo in 1994. Okay, now come to next. He is the Chief Executive Officer of Microsoft Corporation, the world's largest software company based in USA. And this person name is Mr. Satya Nadella. Okay, he is the CEO of Microsoft Corporation. Okay, next is, he is the CEO, Chief Executive Officer of Google Inc., one of the world's largest software companies based in USA. You all know about Google, yes? Okay, so right now it's a pride for all of us that Mr. Sundar Pichai, an Indian born American, and he is the CEO of Google Inc. and he has joined Google in 2004. Okay, so okay, only last one is left and only one option is left here, so you all can guess it. Colonel Haryana born girl was the first Indian woman to go into space. So yes, it's Kalpana Chawla. Okay, so these all are the person who really makes us proud, you know. So we all should do the work like we can work like them. Now we can do something like which make our country proud. Okay, so best of luck. Complete the remaining part of the first page, because second page I have told you all the answers here. Okay, so complete the first page. Okay, take care of yourselves. Bye bye.